All right, everyone, we're taking the train to Boston today. I want everyone on their best behavior.
That's right. We're going to visit some historic sites, and it'll be a fun trip if everyone behaves.
I'm so excited. I've never been on a train before.
Me too. I've packed snacks and books for the trip.
Ugh, this is going to be boring. I'd rather stay home and play video games.
Classic Caillou, remember, if you misbehave, you'll receive strikes. 5 strikes, and you'll be grounded for a long time. Understood?
Yeah, whatever. Look, Gina. We're sitting by the window. We'll get to see everything.
This is going to be so much fun.
Fun for you, maybe.
Classic Caillou. That's your first strike. Behave yourself.
Fine, whatever. This is so boring. I'm going to play my music on full volume.
Classic Caillou, turn that off right now. That's your second strike.
You people are so boring.
Sir, please be respectful.
Classic Caillou, that's strike 3. You're on thin ice, young man.
I want a big candy bar. Now. Sir, please calm down.
Classic Caillou, stop yelling. That's strike 4. One more, and you'll regret it.
Whatever.
You pulled the emergency brake?
Classic Caillou, how dare you pull the emergency brake? That's your 5th strike. You're grounded for 3 months.
But I was just having fun.
Fun? You could have caused an accident.
When they have arrived.
Look, Gina, there's the Boston Tea Party Museum.
This trip turned out amazing.
Worst trip ever.
And it's going to get worse when we get home. Classic Caillou. Classic Caillou, for misbehaving on the train, disturbing passengers, and pulling the emergency brake, you're grounded for 3 months.
No video games, no TV, and no hanging out with friends. Go to your room.
This is so unfair. I'm glad we behaved. We had such a great trip.
Me too. It's always better to be good.